Hello all, in this video we'll be looking for how to prepare a blueprint for the questions and how to submit a Google form. Now we'll begin from the syllabus. I am having a course SES at 2022 Numerical and Statistical Analysis. In this course total there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 units. Okay, so 6 units are there. In the blueprint file I'll edit the above mentioned things. Then after unit number, unit 1 2 3 4 5 6 units I have, and from unit 1 I am going to ask one question for 2 marks and one question for 3 marks. Okay, total number of questions to be asked from unit 1 are 1 plus 1, that is 2, and total marks from the unit 1 will be one question of 2 marks and one question of 3 marks. Total marks will be 5 from the unit 1. Similarly, from unit 2 I am going to ask only one question for the 5 marks. So total questions will be asked from unit 2 will be 1 and total marks will be 5. Unit 3, from unit 3 same like unit 2 I am going to ask only one question for the 5 marks and for the unit 4 as well. Now for the unit 5 I have decided that I am going to ask 2 questions of 1 marks and 1 question of 3 marks. So total number of questions I am going to ask is 3 and total marks will be 5. And in unit 6 as well I am going to ask only one question for the 5 marks. Here per unit you need to take go for 10 question, at least 10 question. So from unit 1 I am going to ask one question for 2 marks. So I have to submit 5 questions for the 2 marks and 5 questions for the 3 marks. For unit 2 I have made only one choice. So I am going to submit 10 questions of 5 marks for unit 2, 3, 4 and 6. Now when comes into the unit 5, for unit 5 I am going to ask 2 questions. For 2 questions I have to go for 10, I have to submit 10 questions. If I have asked 3 questions, then I have to submit 15 questions. If I want to ask 4 questions, then I have to submit 4 multiplied by 5 equals to 20 questions to be submitted. Okay, so minimum 10 questions are going to be submitted. So total number of questions to be asked is 9 and total marks will be 30. This is the how I am going to decide the blueprint. Now come to the next part for the submission of the Google form. For submission of Google form I will add the basic details. This course is for the semester 4 and is for the branches civil, mechanical and chemical. Now next, in this section intro description is given like select unit number for which you need to give response. After filling data for all units, select all done from below drop down list, then submit your response. So first of all I will select unit 1, click on next. Total marks from the unit 1, from this blueprint total marks from unit 1 is 5. So 5. First choice, that is marks per question, my first choice marks per question is 2, that is 2. First choice number of questions to be asked in exam, for 2 marks I am going to ask only one question in the exam. So here I will write down 1. Second choice marks per question, that is 3 marks. So here 3. Number of questions to be asked in the exam, that is 1. So here I will write down 1. I have not made third choice, so I will keep it blank. Now click on next. Now for the next unit, unit 2. Total marks from the unit 2 is 5. Here as you can see. Now next, for unit 2 I have made a choice. I am going to ask only one question for the 5 marks. So first choice marks per question is 5. Number of questions to be asked in exam is 1. Second and third choice I don't have made choice for the second and third choice. So I will make it blank, keep it blank. Now click on next. Same way for the unit 3. Click on next. Total marks 5, marks per question 5, and number of questions to be asked in exam 1 for the unit 3. Second and third choice will be kept blank. Now unit 4. For unit 4 total marks are 5, and same thing as unit 2 and 3. Now for the unit 5 total marks are 5. I have made first choice for the 1 marks question and 2 question of 1 mark. It means here 1 marks per question is 1. Now I am going to ask 2 questions of 1 marks. Now for the second choice I have made a choice that 1 question for the 3 marks. So marks per question will be 3. Number of questions to be asked in exam 1. Third choice I don't have made, so I'll keep it blank. Next. Now unit 6. For unit 6 total marks are 5. Now I'm going to ask only 1 question for the 5 mark. So total marks from unit 6 is 5. Marks choice 5. Number of questions to be asked in exam 1. 2 and 3 will be kept blank. Now next. Once I have done for all my 6 units, I will go select the all done from the drop down list. Then click on next, and then do final submission only if you have filled all the details for all the units. Click on submit. Here it is done. Thank you.